Hey students, so this TG set examination has been completed and the rank has been published and people are waiting for the counseling process. So today we are going to see the top 10 college of this TG set one by one.
Yes. So, sir,
Yes sir.
see, most of the students are attempted the exam
Yeah.
and they are happy with the results also.
Yes, sir.
Now, this is a time for the counseling process.
Mhm.
Now, every student has to be have clear idea on the top colleges and also what is the counseling procedure for the choosing best college.
Yes.
Right now, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So, in order to have that clarity, so we are providing complete details about
The top 10 colleges.
10 colleges as well as the counseling process also we are giving in the other sessions
Yes.
which are already available in our channel.
YouTube
Right now,
channels,
sir?
yeah.
So you can go through the playlist after watching this
Yeah.
so that you will get the complete clarity on the list of colleges, what is the counseling process, how can you choose the best college. Right now,
Yes,
sir,
sir,
everything
obviously.
is provided. So just go through the video so that you get the clarity on this.
Yes.
Yes, let us start with the video. So the first college here we have is JNTU Hyderabad.
Yeah.
Yes, I think most of the students are aware of this JNTU Hyderabad, sir.
Yes sir. One more thing,
Yes.
like top 10 college they have got it.
Yes.
But what is the top 5 courses in each college?
Ha, that
That's
is
also
also-
we'll provide it.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah. So out of these top courses, they need to know which course they are actually wanted to take,
And-
pursue.
Yeah.
Right
And
now, sir?
Particularly the course will be good in particular college, sir.
Yes,
that
sir.
also
Yes.
will provide
Yeah,
it.
yeah, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah. So one particular college will be famous for one
Yeah,
particular
obviously.
course like
Yes,
that.
sir.
So they should aware of this kind of things also,
Yes,
so
sir.
that they can choose their best course, whatever they are dreaming for.
Yeah.
Yes.
So when we talk about JNTU College of Engineering Hyderabad, the
Yeah.
top branches are like CSE, ECE, Triple E, Mechanical and Civil.
Yes.
So
So
with-
these.
yes, sir.
So these are the closing ranks. Yes. See, guys. See, these are the like
Approximate
ranks,
closing
approximate closing ranks we have given. But you know, so we will be providing one Excel sheet in the description box. There you have official data.
Yes.
So what is the closing rank for each category?
Yes, sir.
Categories wise.
For boys, girls as well as-
OC boys, OC girls, SC boys, SC boys, and next like
SC
that.
girls, yes.
BC like that. Every closing rank will be provided in that, so that you will get clarity. If your rank is 2000 something like.
Yes, sir.
So which branch you can expect? In which college you can expect?
Yes.
Everything is there from the previous data. You can get the idea. So go through that. Whatever the Excel sheets we are providing in the
Okay.
description box are in the Telegram group of our NEET
Yes, sir.
NEET world. So you can go through that and you can download it.
And
Yes.
one more thing, like sir, like people are pursuing college. Why
Yes.
they are pursuing? Like they need to get the highest package.
Yes,
right?
sir. Yes, sir.
Like
Yes, sir.
if we see about a particular college, the package will be differ from each college, right?
Yes, yes, sir.
Like if we see about what is like JNTU, like
Yes,
what is
sir.
the package, sir?
Yeah, here we have mentioned. So these are the rough numbers.
Yeah.
I mean, like around 10 LPA is the average package they are getting.
It may
Uh,
vary year to
yes,
year, sir.
yes, sir. It may varies year to year, and you know this kind of data it will be more. Like accurately we can't give directly,
Okay.
but they can go through their official websites.
Okay.
So from there also you can get, or they can contact any of the like students from the
Okay.
or management from the college itself,
Okay.
so that they will get the full clarity about their packages.
So like these packages are like previous year data.
Yes,
no?
sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir. Yes, sir. And these are the top recruiters we are seeing there.
Like
Yeah.
Infosys, TCS, Deloitte.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
So when we talk about the TCS, no sir, like
Yeah.
it is the mass recruitment.
Yes, sir. Yes,
When,
sir.
like when we talk about Deloitte also, it's a mass recruitment.
Yeah,
When we
yes.
talk about Infosys also, it's a mass recruitment
Yeah,
companies,
yes,
right?
yes, sir.
Okay. So what is the second college, sir?
Huh. So here we have OU, Usmania College. I mean University College of Engineering.
Okay.
OU. So this is also one of the good colleges, sir. Like top college they are choosing
Okay.
after JNTU.
So
Yes.
what is the top 5 courses in this, sir?
So see, mostly students are very much interested go for CSE.
Okay.
Again, along with the CSE, now new courses are also added,
Okay.
like artificial intelligence,
Mhm.
machine learning.
Okay.
All these the new courses were also introduced in
Okay.
most of these colleges.
Mhm.
So based on their interest,
Okay.
they have to choose the college.
Okay.
And you know, sir, along with the college, so in the counseling process, the college code is very very important, sir.
Okay.
So for example, every college, see, for this OU college, this is a college code.
Okay,
During the
UCE,
counseling,
OU,
yeah.
okay.
So during the counseling, they need to
Get
choose
the- okay,
this
proper
this
college
code,
code.
college code only.
Okay,
If
sir.
they use by mistakenly, if they go with some other
Okay.
small letter change,
Mhm.
then it will be completely different scene, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you got no like whenever you're choosing the college, you need to get the proper code. Like
Yeah.
understand the code and click it properly.
Yes, sir.
If you are clicking differently, like the college will be opted different.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah.
So,
So,
it is
what is the packages sir in this colleges?
here also around 6 lakhs average package is mentioned,
Okay.
sir. And these are the top recruiters here. We have HCL and
Okay.
GE Digitals.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
So like one more thing, students, like whoever going for CSE, like people are not getting CSE, they are going for ECE. Yeah. One more thing, like whenever you are choosing ECE, like you will get a companies like around depends upon ECE, I mean electrical as well as computer science. Okay. When we are going for CSE, the particularly companies come for computer science only, like IT departments.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
And sir, I feel personally
Okay.
like choosing what kind of placements comes at the end of the 4 years. This is not the only the factor that should be considered.
Yes, sir.
But they need to go with their own interest.
Obviously,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah.
So it is not about what companies are coming for recruitment.
Yes.
This is the one factor,
Yeah.
but this is not the only major factor. There
Okay.
are their self-interest is first, and that is should be the satisfied version,
Okay.
right, no, sir?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So when we talk about the third college, it is Chaitanya Bharati Institute of Technology, CBIT, Hyderabad.
Yeah.
Like top branches are like CSE, IT, ECE, Mechanical and Civil. So can you say what is the ranks for this and
Here we have
placement
mentioned
packages?
around 1500, sir.
Okay.
So this is like ranks. This is the approximate ranks.
Okay.
As I told you, we
And
can
one
go
more
through
thing,
Excel.
sir, like for each branches, ranks also varies.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir. It will varies. And these are the average packages in these colleges. And
Okay.
This is the top highest package, sir.
Okay, like around 59 lakhs to 60. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So,
So this
the
is about-
recruiters are Salesforce, Deliveroo, etc. Okay. Yeah. When we talk about the fourth college, it is Vasavi College of Engineering,
Engineering.
Hyderabad.
Yes, sir.
The top courses are like CSE, ECE, IT, Mechanical and Civil. So whatever college we have seen up to now, the CSE branch is common in that, right?
Yes, sir. Yes,
yeah.
Again, these are the top recruiters we have. Infosys is everywhere in these top colleges.
Okay.
sir. And they are mass recruiters. So they will take and they will train us.
Okay.
Like that. Things
Okay.
are happening like that, right? So
Yes,
most
sir.
of my friends are working in this Infosys.
Okay.
Once after completing their BA, BTech, so they have gone through the campus placements to this Infosys and TCS, sir.
Okay.
Mostly. Yeah. So these are their average packages in the colleges.
So like obviously like average package is like whatever we are seeing, it's around 5 to 6 lakh or it may varies. So when we talk about the next college, it is BNR, Vignan Jyoti Institute of Technology, and like top branches is like CSE, ECE, IT, AI and DS Mechanical. Okay. So the closing ranks and the placements are like for CSE or IT, the ranks are like around 2000 and 4000.
Yes,
When we talk about the packages, it is like 7 lakh, that is average package, and the highest package is like around 51 LPA.
Yes.
Okay. So top recruiters are like TCS, HCL and Deloitte. Okay. So what about the next college, sir?
CVR Colleges of Engineering.
Okay.
Yes. So this is also one of the best colleges, sir.
Okay.
So even my friends have studied in this college itself.
Okay.
Okay. Now I think he is working in this Infosys, sir.
I hope you have a large circle, sir.
Yes. Sir.
Yeah.
So these are the top branches there,
Okay.
and this is the average package, and most of them are getting more than this also.
Okay.
With good skills and all.
So don't see the average package there, it may vary.
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
like the college give 4 to 5 LPA, it may varies to like 9 to 10 LPA
Yes,
also. It may
yes.
varies year to year. Okay. Yeah. So when we talk about the 7th college, yes, sir.
Gokaraju Rangaraju Institute of Engineering. This is also one of the top college in Hyderabad.
Okay.
So most famous college. This is also.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, the top branches are like CSE, ECE, IT, AI, ML. That is machine learning. Okay, the ranks are like around 37,000 and 55,000. Okay. So whenever we are getting the colleges, no, top 1 to top 7 we have got. Like 7th, if you see the ranks are increasing step by step. So when we go to the next colleges, and ranks also will be increased. Okay.
Yes.
Like the average package is like 5 to 6 LPA. So recruiters are like Infosys, Cognizant and Capgemini are coming. Okay. Yeah. When we talk about the 8th college, sir.
Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Technology, MGIT,
Okay.
Hyderabad. Okay, so here these are the top branches we have, sir.
Okay.
And these are the closing ranks for CS and IT.
Okay.
And this is the average package. Around it will be common in every way. That is 5 to 6 is
Okay.
a common number
Okay,
in
sir.
average package for all these colleges, sir.
And one more thing, students, the average package may vary for each courses. When you're talking about CSE, average package will be like 5 to 6, for example.
Yes,
If
sir.
I talk about mechanical, it may vary. Okay,
yeah.
so it is not like average package is for only these. I mean these per like every courses. It may vary. So we have given average package for the whole college. Okay. So when we talk about the next college, yes sir.
Srinidhi Institute of Sciences and Technology, Hyderabad again.
Okay.
So again, CSE is the one of the top course.
Okay.
Yeah. So again, these are the ranks, closing ranks we have for AML and CSE.
Okay.
Okay. And here they have mentioned average packages 4 to
Okay.
5 lakh.
Okay.
Okay. And these are the top recruiters, Infosys and Wipro.
Okay, sir. So when we talk about the last college, like top 10th college, yeah.
So here we have Keshav Memorial Institute of Technology, Hyderabad.
Hyderabad.
Again, same branches. I mean, data science along with that, AI and ML are the
Okay.
top trending courses as of now.
Okay.
Okay. And these are the ranks. See, in this college, AI ML will be having more demand. See.
Okay.
So the rank, if you see, it is around 6,000 to
6,000.
7,000.
Okay.
Yeah. So they can choose. So based on your interest, you need to go through the list of colleges.
Okay.
See, in that Excel sheet, they
Okay,
will be
sir.
having the list of colleges. So if the student is interested for CSE,
Okay.
like computer science, so he need to filter the Excel sheet completely only for CSE, so that he will get the top colleges with the top ranks. So he can correlate his rank with the ranks.
given, okay, college ranks.
So
Okay.
that he will get complete clarity on the college list.
Okay.
So he can make some 50 to 100 list of colleges
Like web options.
for the web options.
Okay.
Yeah, this is my suggestion for them.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
So I hope people got the top 10 college. What is the top 10 college? One, what is the courses given in the top 10 colleges?
Yes,
like
yes,
good
yes.
courses and
Yeah.
given packages also. I hope you got the proper information. Right,
Yes,
sir?
yes, sir.
Yeah.
So along with that, there are other some good colleges are also
Yeah.
there, but we have provided only few of them.
Okay.
Yeah. So there are some other colleges also. They can go for those colleges also
Okay.
as per the list based on the last year's like cutoff marks in each of the colleges.
Okay,
Yeah.
sir.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you, guys.
Yeah. Thank you for watching.